Normally, we have in the other, this one we have the third party, the already machine, but this is the really accurate because the rub. Okay.
Rounds.
10 round.
It is standard.
We need to put the dry this one. We need to hang, and then we review this one after dry.
Oh.
Yeah, we cannot review this one still wet. We need to dry first.
And we are
So
using.
if we see like this, we can say what?
Dark
What
spot.
the color can be migrate or what?
Yes. Good. Grayscale. No, grayscale. Standard part. And not only by naked eye.
So
All
this
is
is what
all by
we do. We need to
treatment.
hang first at the dryer.
So most of the buyer accept 3 or 2 to 3 or 3. 4, 5 is very good. 2, 1, no. Because 2, 1 is really dark. 1, 2 is really dark. 2 is dark. Buyer not accept. Sometimes they accept 2, 3 or 3. Now, based on our eyes, where this one point? 3 or
Kuya, patong mo pa ni kamerapan sa ano
it's
kuya?
okay. 2 to 3 or 3? What do you think?
2, 3.
Or
3.
3?
or 3?
The color is not so the same. One is red, one is dark.
3.
Yes, but you need to see gray. Grayscale. 3 or 3 to 4.
3 to 4.
3 to 4.
Yes, for me it's 3 to 4 or
3.
3. Cannot be 2.
Cannot.
Too dark. This too dark.
Too dark.
Right? So that is the point. Then we say pass or fail.
Patong mo din kuya para di kamera.
Cannot, don't touch the because this is sensitive. And BI then CI are certified. But the lab room itself are not certified. But the one that doing the test are certified. And our machine equipment is calibrated. So buyer are accepting this. 24 hours, most request is